Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jpooguru, and today I am going to do a very sun-kissed look with a glowy, dewy finish, and I'm going to bring you a little pop of color and show you how to apply these lash trios. I've had a lot of requests for strip lash application, and I'm going to show you that too, but today I think I'll try these. These are really for beginners and can be built upon and made into something really fabulous, but you can start small with these because I think they're a little bit easier to apply. So stick with me guys and let's get started. First I'm going to apply this YSL primer, and I'm just going to apply it to the bridge of my nose and the parts of my face that might get extra oily throughout the day. Next, I'm going to apply the Dior Forever Glow Foundation in the color N2. I'm going to use this NYX foundation brush today, pulling the product right off my hand and applying it to my face. I'm not getting as much coverage as I like on my nose, so I'm going to go in with this beauty blender and just tap it in a little bit more, just to get a little bit more coverage on those areas that I feel like I'm going to need to last all day. Now I'm going in with the Peach Perfect translucent powder. I'm going to put a little bit in the cap here and use my big powder brush and just put a little bit all over my face to set this foundation. Now I'm going to use this Argan Physicians Formula bronzer with this bronzer brush. Ooh! I like to use this bronzer as sort of a contour all the way around. I just love the sun-kissed look that it gives me. Using this small Wet n Wild brush, I'm going to dip right back into that bronzer and put a little depth into my eyelid. Just a little bit of color, not much, just to give it a little bit of depth and light. Next, I'm using this LA Girl Fine Point Eyebrow Pencil in the color Brown. Now we're going to use this NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt for the highlighter. Oh, I can't get her open. We're just going to use the highlighter from this palette and just give those cheeks a little bit of glisten. I'm going to dip into this Sunrise Paradise palette into the black, and I'm going to do a little bit of tightlining with this teeny tiny brush just to give this look a little bit of definition around my eyes without having to use a heavy black eyeliner. Now I'm going to curl my lashes with this eyelash curler. I like to apply a little bit of black mascara before applying any kind of false eyelashes. This just helps them have a guide to where to sit and also helps my eyelashes be in the right place to set the false eyelashes. For my next trick, let's apply these eyelash trios. Starting off with size medium, I'm going to pull the lash off with my tweezer and holding it in my fingers, I'm going to get my glue. I'm going to apply this glue right to that top of that lash seam. Now I'm going to fan it off and let the glue dry for about 30 seconds. Now I'm going to carefully place this glued lash right to the very end of my lash line. I'm going to carefully place the lash with my tweezer and using my finger to sort of place it and get it exactly where I'd like it, right close to the lash line and my skin and my eye. Oh! Now I'm going to set another size medium right next to that lash. I'm using the end of my tweezer and my fingers just to sort of put that lash exactly where I want it to be without over manipulating it. Now I'm going to go in with the shortest ones, make sure that glue is all dry, and lay that little lash right next to those two longer ones that I just laid towards the end. Now I'm going to repeat this process on the other side using 2 of the medium length and 1 short back to back right there on the end of my lash line.
So as you can see, I just used 2 medium and 1 short on each eye. Pretty easy, but it makes it really glamorous without being overkill, and then you don't have to worry about them coming up on the inside corners. And by doing that tight line in there, you can't even see where your lashes end and those begin. You just look like you have really nice thick full lashes with just a little bit extra length, kind of a natural look. But I love these, and these are the Ardell Lash Trios. So now I'm going to finish with a lip and this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Face Mist. Let's see how this works today. Glowy. Not too glowy, but glowy. For this lip, I'm going to use this NYX reddish orange color lip liner and this Estee Lauder in the color Nectarine. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Here is my final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please smash that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and have an awesome day!